At the tone, please record your
what's good,
message.
everybody?
When you finish
Peace and
recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Yes, good afternoon, Nicole. My name is Steve Quest. I'm doing a live stream on the Monograph channel on YouTube. There's a report that is coming out of USAWatchdog.com suggesting that over 10,000 people are dying from the direct result of the inoculations. And I was just curious, is there any validity to this, or is that fake news? Will you please give some sort of comment, either publicly or otherwise? Thank you very much. Have a great day.
So shout out to Hux and Myquick as well, amassing all this knowledge on the Eat Your Bugs propaganda. And basically what the information is showing is that the insects, pretty much, like in layman's terms, they cause you to become like more susceptible to disease. And look, this is just, we're gonna show it. So Hux got this thread of information here that basically went viral, and I think it's let's see, it's a thread of information. And it looks like it has like, sorry, I was trying to look at the actual original tweet to say how many of these posts with links of information is actually on here. But this thread has like, these are all links to all the source articles. But it basically, it's like it'll knock out your immune potency to diseases. I'm kind of lit on some shroomers, but I wanted to show this information anyways, so I'm not going to go into it. So yeah, there's probably all kinds of issues that would come up with this. And then they're like so concerned about some plague outbreak in the future, you know, but so they're gonna go and you know, suggest the thing that would bring that about. And I think I shared a few, I might have some posts within this post somewhere, but it's like, sometimes these threads get really big because even on like one of the posts on here, you could start accumulating a ton of comments, and like it gets pretty big when you get into all the information. But I wanted to actually tie this into, before I jump off, I'm just trying to do this real quick to show you guys where to look. Tie this back to a post I did. This is an interesting post. I'm going to tie this back to a post I did, if I can find it. I have a little bug thread right here. Delicious ladybugs. Look in this thread, there's like 7 comments, 7 posts within it. My hashtag Gematria hoodie on my Shopify under Eternal Creations is my gem business. So shout out to Gematria. Shout out to Wise. Shout out to Yeah Right, everybody. Hux. Really, this video's a shout out to Hux. Oh yeah, and this is part of the post. We're gonna need 56 insect doctors. And shout out to La Femme Bambina, Nikita. She came through with this article. Now I'm making this video too long. Yeah, this article's about the insect doctors. It's actually called Insect Doctors. And yeah, it had, there's like some links and some stuff within that to look at. You got your 56, your 187. But where's the post I'm looking for? Oh, it might have been a comment or a... I can't find it. I gotta look for it this way. Duh, that's funny. I guess I gotta look for it in my Twitter. Dang it, I don't know where that tweet went. There's like so much information in here. It's ridiculous. Here's one. Shout out to Truth on Fire. This matches all our research on the synthetic biology. It's like an economist evidently had this magazine on this. Had this issue on it. I actually had a weird... in one of my videos, there's like some cryptocurrency for animals. It's like super ridiculous. I'm looking for the MyQuick post. It's one of my original posts, but when you post too much, they fall off the damn back end. The Isis beetle, that's on the bug theme. Damn, there's just so much of this stuff already. It's like I can't even find any. I can't even use this platform like the right way I want to use it. And then especially when the articles fall off on the back end, it's like kind of makes Twitter like actually worthless. I mean, don't zap my Twitter away because it's important, but it's hard not to fucking tweet too much because, you know, every little thing, I don't like how it works. I mean, I guess that's what it is, but it is what it is. Huh? Oh, here's something on this. My friend told me this fake flat earth map thing. Yes, this thing does exist in the UN, but what it is, shout out to Logic, and this thing is like a timeline of the plate tectonic movement. It's not like display at the UN. It's not about the Earth being flat and having extra continents. Sorry. The UN said it. It must be true. But yeah, that's all just ridiculous. That's like dumb people basically making shit up. Damn, I can't find the freaking tweet I'm looking for. That sucks. Shout out to Wise, Wake Up 1984 too. I listened to your video last night and makes sense. It was really good research. Makes sense to me. Great news! Bioengineers develop bionic 3D cameras with bug eyes and bat sonar. Let's go back up to the top of this one. I want to show this too. Because Zach was... Shout out to Gematria channel. Zach was actually just talking about this, and then I brought it up and posted this link in the chat. And it just goes on this damn bug theme. How do I find my post? Let's see. I can find it. Search. Here it is. Alright, to finish out the video, big shout out to MikeWick. This is a post that is a whole thread of information as well. If you can understand this post, or if you can even find this post, it's a Hive blog. It's on Hive, and it's MikeWick77, and it's about Disease X. What do they call it? Trying to remember all this stuff. Hold on. Disease X. Cladex. Cladex Disease X. I don't know. I heard some word of them like changing the monkeypox to the name Clade or something. But this is kind of hard to understand, this thread here on Hive. But these are all search terms. So when you search these terms, you'll find like all of the whatever information. And within this thread, we got the bugs. And nobody's ever showed this before. About the cicadas, because they're always on the cicada. But basically what this is explaining This is the Mycoplasma Laboratorium and the synthetic biology. And within this thread, in one of these links, dude found it from the JCVI, the minimal genome of the cicadas, and it's like significance in the disease X. So anyway, shout out to everybody, peace and love, and have a blessed day. Stay up, don't eat bugs.